welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. So I have myself a glass of wine, and if you guys know what that means, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I love doing unboxings on my channel over a glass of wine. Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Soulify Biz box. Now, before we get started, I did film this before, but I have no idea what happened to the footage. So I'm going to be doing it again. This is the March box, but I loved it so much I wanted to share with you guys what was in here because I feel like it's pretty good for your money, very good deal, and the amount of insight and energy that I've been getting from the things that came in the box, because I've already opened it, I've already started using a lot of the things, but I do want to share with you guys, I do want to show you. It's been really helping my life, my mindset about money. The whole box was themed around money. So before we get started, I do want to share a few things about the box. The creator of the box, Poonam, was kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to review their box on my channel. Of course I said yes, because I love doing these. I love having myself a glass of wine and just unboxing these things on camera. All right, so this box is $44 a month. If you do get the year subscription or the 3-month subscription, it is a little bit cheaper. Each month has a theme. So this month is actually money mindset, which was actually incredible. And I think that there was a reason that I lost the footage so that I could come back and tell you guys how the items in this box really affected me. So we'll get into that. And we'll also get into, is this worth the $44? Is there items in here that surpassed $44? Like, was it sample size items? Was it full size items? All that stuff. You also get a lifetime membership to their Facebook community for free. Usually you get 2 to 3 products in here. You also get a course of some kind. You will get a personal development book, and you will also get a meditation or hypnosis. Now, the founder of this box, Poonam, she's very sweet, and her story is actually very powerful. She was born in India, and what she saw in India regarding women and how they were treated like second-class citizens, she never really clicked with that. Another thing that she didn't like was that the girls were usually married off by age of 21. What happened is she left when she was 18 years old, and she never looked back, which is somewhat of something that I kind of did at the beginning of this year. So I feel like for her to come into my life right now was actually very meaningful. Poonam now lives in America with her husband and 2 kids, and she started this Soulify Biz box to empower women. With all that being said, let's go ahead and show you what is in the box. First of all, the packaging is really nice and sleek. It does say Soulify Biz box, and it's really pretty. There's a dream catcher on the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out things randomly and show you what was in here. The first thing is this lava stone bracelet. Now, this is a lava stone bracelet that has hematite stones in it and just a bead at the top. This is not a crystal. I thought it was a crystal, but it's not. Now, I've been meaning to get myself a lava stone bracelet just because I want to infuse it with essential oils and wear it. So that's basically what lava stones are for. You can diffuse essential oils into your stone and wear it, and it will diffuse that scent throughout the day. Or say you have an intention oil for money or love or healing. You can actually infuse it into your lava stones and wear your money oil around with you all day long, or your love oil, whatever intention oil. Or say you have a lot of anxiety. You can put lavender oil in your lava stones and wear it throughout the day, and it will really help calm you down. Now, this lava stone bracelet retails for $19.99, and so already you have half of the amount that you paid for your box with just the bracelet alone. So that is actually not a bad deal at all. However, I do think it is a little pricey for a bracelet like this. But again, you are dealing with real lava stones and real crystals. So yeah, this was actually not a bad deal. So actually what I'm holding in my hand right now is the Soulify Biz Box Companion Booklet, the March Money Mindset. So this is actually really interesting because as soon as you open it up, the first few pages, it tells you what is in the box, how much everything retails for, and it's like a little description of what it is too. Then we have a success tracker, and here you write your habit down and how many days you did it. And then you have your goal you could write down, and affirmations for the month that have to do with money, which I think is so useful and so beneficial. The next pages we have here is suggested money rituals. Like, already I feel like just in that $44 a month, you get, first of all, that bracelet, right? And then you have something like this, where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rituals. Rituals to me are very like invaluable. There's no value you could put on a ritual. It's just, it's knowledge and wisdom. And so I feel like that's very powerful that they did that. The next page you have here is the calendar, which is really nice. That's actually very, very nice. And then a reading journal and course notes. So reading journal for the book that's in the box, which we'll get into. And then course notes. And then we have just the rest of the pages is all just notes. So this booklet is like a little planner for the month, which I think is a genius. Like, I love this, where you can plan everything out. When the month is done, you don't have to haul around a big chunky planner. You just throw this out. I love this. Like, all right, so the next thing that I'm going to grab, I'm going to talk about the book next, because that's the first thing on the list. The next thing we have here is the personal development book of the month, which is Abundance Now by Lisa Nichols. When I first saw this book, I was like, I'm not going to be interested in it. It's not my type of book. And one day I kept getting a nudge to pick it up and read it. And so I picked it up and read it. I was like, okay, if I don't like the first chapter, I won't continue reading it. I'll kind of just give it away or something. I became hooked. Like, I became hooked. I love this woman so much now that I'm subscribed to her YouTube channel. I binge watch her YouTube videos. I try to watch all the interviews. Like, every piece of information that comes out of her mouth, I want to consume and I want to learn and know. She has changed so many of my beliefs when it comes to money and abundance. This book, if you have blocks in abundance, not just abundance, but any area of your life, if you feel like you have blocks, I'm telling you to get this book. Get this, well, this box, I'm not sure if you can still get it, but oh my God, this book. This retails for $25.99. So already with the bracelet and the book, you're already getting your money's worth. I can't say enough good things about this book. I actually highlighted a few things in the book. Let me just kind of read one of them to you. Okay, there's something that I highlighted right here, and it says, it's up to you to maintain the will and internal fortitude to succeed, regardless of toxic, scarcity-minded adversaries you might encounter. So that's so powerful. Like, it just really puts things into perspective. Like, for me, I was just like, whoa, like, you know, I'm letting the news and like what's going on right now just really affect my mood and really affect my tone of voice when I talk. Like, it just affected a lot. My anxiety levels skyrocketed. And then reading this, it says it's up to you to maintain the will and internal fortitude to succeed. So I have the choice to stop, really. And so that just really kind of like was, hey, knock me back into my place. Like, hey, you have the choice not to do that. So there's a lot of moments I had with this book, and I'm not all the way done, but I can't wait. I can't wait to finish it. I can't wait to consume the knowledge in this book. The next thing we have here, it came in a burlap little baggie, is Prosperity Soap. This smells so good. It smells straight up like cinnamon. There's flowers in there, you can see, and it's wrapped so well. No leakage, no oil, like, you know, oiliness, nothing. This is really good, high quality soap. I can tell because I make soaps on my Etsy shop, so I kind of have a little bit of a feel for what soap should look like when it's sent out. Now, this has dried sunflower petals, cinnamon essential oil, cypress. It came with a citrine crystal. I actually cut the top off of the bag so that I can get into it, but it comes with a citrine crystal. There are certain crystals that I get sent or that I touch in the store or whatever, and you can kind of feel the energy. It's, how can I explain, like bland energy, or like maybe somebody else touched it and you get a sense of some different kind of energy, right? But this one is so clean. This is so good, like really good energy. Like when you touch it, it just feels really good, like what citrine should feel like. So I feel like they did cleanse this and really like activate it. It's a really good high vibration, high energy citrine. I'm really excited to start using this. And this retails for $11. Not a bad price for a soap with all natural essential oils and everything. The next thing we have in the box is a calm, soothing roller. Now, one thing I was disappointed in is that the roller, it's so sticky and there's oil like leaking all over. Half of the bottle already leaked out. And it was wrapped in like a bubble wrap, so it didn't leak out of the bubble wrap, but it definitely is like all over the roller. But that's okay. You know, I don't understand why that happened. This is a calming oil blend. It's coconut oil, orange, lavender, cedarwood, pine, patchouli, and yin yang. So it smells really, really good. It is very calming. I think I will clean it off and use it because it smells really, really good. It smells really, really good. Calming, relaxing. The energy of all those scents mixed together is very relaxing. It's a good oil. Let's see how much it retailed for. So the roller was $20. That's kind of pricey, but because there are so many different kinds of essential oils in it, I feel like maybe that's why. Something else that was in the box is a tourmaline crystal. Black tourmaline is really good for absorbing negative energy and sending negative energy away from you. This is a really, really good crystal. Then we also have a Palo Santo stick. And this is some good quality Palo Santo. So I'm really excited to burn this. These are good for cleansing and protection. So these two together retail for $6. Not a bad price. Two more things you get in this box is a hypnosis by Lindsay Robinson. And they give you the code of your hypnosis on the back. So you just go onto their website and you enter the code and you get access to your hypnosis. And this hypnosis is actually retailed for $19. And this is a hypnosis for becoming a money magnet. Not bad. I'm really excited to try that. Then you get an online training, Energetics of Profit by Kristen Jett. Now this online training retails for $250. You guys, $250 course in a $44 subscription box. That's insane. That is insane to me. I'm gonna take this. I'm very excited for this. I've never really taken a course like this online where it's, first of all, $250 and then a course about money. I'm really interested in this. I'm excited. $250, that's insane. I'm blown away by that. The last thing you get is a feather bookmark, and this is what I've been using with my book, and this retails for $4, and this is really cute. This is so cute. Like, I've noticed myself whenever I'm reading, I'm always playing with this or touching it, rubbing it, and I don't know, it's just so soothing for some reason. It's so calming. So this is really cute. So those are all the things that come in the Soulify Biz box. This was the March box, and I do apologize for uploading it kind of late because I don't know what happened to the footage, but I do want to let you guys know to be safe and to practice social distancing and stay home as much as you can right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.